SEH America is one of Clark County's largest high-tech companies, with more than 800 employees, including machine operators, technicians, and engineers. The only manufacturer of 300mm wafers in North America, Shin-Etsu is a world leader of silicon manufacturing. Evergreen Public Schools is the largest school district in Southwest Washington and the fourth largest in the state, serving more than 27,000 students. SEH America and Evergreen Public Schools began their partnership in 2007 and launched a work-linked internship program in 2011 for juniors and seniors who are interested in gaining basic workplace skills or are interested in learning more about jobs in science, technology, engineering, and math-related fields, also known as STEM. Student interns do not produce wafers, rather focus on learning basic soft skills such as work ethic, communication, emailing, and teamwork, and technical skills such as using Microsoft Excel, safety procedures, 5S, and more. Interns practice these skills under the close supervision of their mentor, while helping out on a variety of projects related to continuous improvement, data collection and analysis, or other projects that fit their skills and interests. Evergreen Superintendent John Dieter says the internship helps students apply what they've learned in class and prepare them for the workforce.
It's a business and a school partnership to prepare young people. The schools can teach them the core academic content, but if we can partner with business and create worksite learning experiences for kids so they learn those soft skills, they learn what it means to work, they get a picture of what work looks like, I don't think we could do kids a better service than that.
And the student interns agree.
The actual internship alone, I think, is invaluable. You know, a lot of knowledge to be acquired from just being in here and working, and you know what it's like to actually have a job, you know.
Work-linked learning internships open opportunities for students to get valuable work experience and professional connections that they can leverage to clarify their future studies, get into college, access scholarships, or go to work after high school. Yulia Nikiforets is a former intern who earned a job at SEH and is continuing her studies.
Not only did I get hands-on experience working on stuff and experience with AutoCAD drawings, which is directly ties in with engineering, which is what I'm going for school now, but I got experience working with adults and knowing how to communicate with my supervisor and just having skills that I can take into my future jobs.
SEH's Vice President of Operations, Ben Bagerpour, says more than a third of interns in the program end up working for SEH in the kinds of jobs that are vital to keeping local businesses and communities thriving.
Education is a fundamental necessity for any prosperous community, which means is that if in any community, just like ours, we want to grow the economy, bring more businesses in, and reduce the unemployment, we need the educated workforce.
SEH and Evergreen strongly believe that their partnership can serve as a model for other local businesses and school districts. Together, and with the financial support of local and state governments, we can give other students the work-based learning opportunities that create the kind of communities we all want to live in.
And it isn't about SEH, and it's not about the Evergreen School District. It's about the kids growing up to be adults who contribute in our community or whatever community they live in, which I think helps the whole economy and it helps the whole country as we think about how we transform our programs, our lifestyle into everybody having a livable wage.
Research by the Brookings Institution shows that livable wage jobs in the Vancouver metro area in science, technology, engineering, or math-related fields pay substantially more than non-STEM jobs. And many of these STEM-related jobs do not require a 4-year degree. Intern Ashley Digraf says her internship has given her confidence, helped her learn workplace responsibility, and what it's like to be part of a team.
Until you're actually in a working environment and you're surrounded by people and you have a little bit of pressure on you, there's no way of knowing. And the internship definitely does a very good job at giving you a realistic experience, but also giving you an environment where you're comfortable and where you have people to help you always, and where people are always really, really friendly.
Superintendent Dieter and SEH's Baggerpour say encouraging these kinds of internship programs is an investment in students, business, and our local communities.
This program has short-term and long-term benefit for SEH America, but it has a short-term and long-term benefit for our community. And that is something that is very important and we all have to participate in.
Understanding how the workplace works is important for all of us, and understanding how to support that. So to me, any school district that can get kids placed in these kind of situations, or any business who will take a few kids and work with them, is investing in their future, the kids' future as well as the business's future, and to me, the future of our communities. So I think it's really a great way for us to partner and that become a win-win for everybody.
We make success story one student at a time. If we can make a change in the life of one student, that is a success story, and then that's our plan, to make a success story out of every single student.
A success story for students and business.